you'll see that everyone's wearing their PPE, gloves, masks, and we're using our pop-up rags. We clean the galleys, we go into every nook and cranny. We'll pull out all the tray tables, we'll set our shades at 50%. We open up the iPad holders in our first class cabins. We get in between headrests. We do overhead compartments. We do the crevices, what's inside them. We will go, pretty much every surface, hard and soft, is touched, and it is disinfected. The second step of that process is the electrostatic spraying process I was telling you about, which is just that extra above and beyond, which kills 99.99% viruses, germs, bacteria, SARS, COVID-19, enveloviruses like that. And if it's going to do it. It's a great process. So right now they're just all working their way front and back. It's a little bit of a process. As you can see, they're spraying, they're wiping down, and they're just going over every space. There's not one spot that doesn't not get touched. This also applies to our lavatories as well. Our flight decks are actually handled a little bit differently. We're looking into new technologies like UVC light that would actually be a blade that we wave over the surfaces, which kills as well. But because of the technology that's inside the flight deck, we do a different cleaning. It's more like having like a toothbrush kind of type cleaning. It's very thorough, but we have to be a little bit more sensitive and gentle in those areas.